If Chrome feels slow, shows unwanted pop-ups, or has an extension you no longer use, removing that extension can help clean things up. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few easy ways to remove Chrome extensions and check that they are fully gone. First, open Google Chrome and look near the top right corner beside the address bar. Click the puzzle piece icon to open the Extensions menu. In the Extensions menu, look through the list and find the extension you want to remove. If you're not sure what an extension does, you can leave it for now and check its details before deleting it. Click the three dots next to the extension, then choose Remove from Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the removal. Click Remove in the confirmation window. The extension will disappear from Chrome right away. If Chrome asks why you removed it, you can answer the question or simply close that feedback window. You can also remove extensions from Chrome's full management page. Click the three dots in the top right corner, move over Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. On this page, every installed extension has its own card. Find the extension you want, then click Remove. Confirm once more, and Chrome will uninstall it. If you are not ready to delete an extension permanently, you can disable it instead. Use the toggle on the extension card to turn it off. Yeah, this keeps the extension installed but stops it from running until you turn it back on. Take a moment to review the rest of your extensions. Remove anything you do not recognize or no longer need, especially if it changes your homepage, search engine, or shows unexpected ads. So keeping this list short can also help Chrome run more smoothly. After removing an extension, close and reopen Chrome, then check whether the issue is gone. Try opening a few websites, bar, and watching for any unwanted pop-ups, and that is how to remove Chrome extensions. You can delete them from the Extensions menu, use the Manage Extensions page, or disable them first if you are still deciding. Thanks for watching.